2018 Jaguar F-Type Coupe Turbo for first test. Jaguar now sells the most attractive four-cylinder sports car, but others cost less and some perform better. Callum's ability to design such beautiful cars with regularity must drive the other guys nuts. Just look at the F-Type. Proportion is spot on. The body's gesture needs no superfluous creases to create surface excitement. Every line counts. Less is, indeed, more, and the F-Type smear shape is what makes it what it is, a Jaguar incarnate and stunning. Name a prettier modern car powered by a four-cylinder engine. Well, wait. New for 2018. The entire 2018 Jaguar F-Type lineup receives simpler but bolder front, rear fascia updates to better distinguish one model from another. All get full LED lighting, extensive interior tweaks including Jaguar's latest infotainment system, and new magnesium-framed slimline seats, which aren't just shockingly comfortable and supportive, but also are said to save £17 compared to their predecessors. With the addition this year of a special edition F-Type 400 Sport, and this base trim with its Turbo 4 engine, the two-door, two-passenger 2018 Jaguar F-Type model line has grown to a dizzying 24 variants. Between coupe and convertible, 3 engines encompassing 6 different output ratings, 4 can be had with the 6-speed manual transmissions, all others an 8-speed automatic, and 10 variants are available with AWD. In contrast, the hardtop convertible Mercedes-Benz SLC class has 2 variants, and the Porsche 718 offers 10 variants between the Cayman and Boxster.